guys, welcome back to my channel. My fans, please don't watch this. This is just a message for Fortnite Epic Games. Please bring the pump back. Please. It was the only gun I'm good at. So please bring the pump back. I hope this is going to be a short video. And hope you had this message, Epic Games. Please bring the pump back. Even my brother's going to film a video about bringing his favorite weapon back. No, not his favorite weapon, and the pump as well back. So please bring the pump back. Hope you had this message, Epic Games. See ya.